How to send a parcel or package with Royal Mail. So you can go ahead and download the Royal Mail app itself if you have the option to, but you can also go ahead and do this in their website. So just go ahead and search for Royal Mail in your preferred browser, and once you've done so, scroll down a little bit until you find Royal Mail, and once you enter Royal Mail, you can start with the sending process. So go ahead to the send option, of course, and choose what you are looking for to send. So they have a few options, which is a letter, a large letter, a small parcel, a medium parcel, or a tube. So just go ahead and make your decision that suits you the most. So you'll be able to see their prices as well. In our case, we'll just go ahead with a small parcel. Then just go ahead and press on send your item. So keep in mind that their options is that you are gonna have to go to one of their posts to give them the actual item, and once you give them your item, then they will send it to your recipient. So first you have to choose on what location your item is going. So let's say it's going to Australia mainland, and then you're gonna have to choose the size of your item. So let's go with the medium parcel, and you're gonna have to choose the weight, and depending on the weight will give you the exact price. So if you choose a 9 kilogram, you will have to spend this amount, which is in the bottom. If you don't know why you have to provide the exact weight, there is a button here that will let you know why. Then just go ahead and press on continue. Then over here in the bottom is the sending options. So international, tracked and signed, heavier, global priority, so 4 business days to the rest of the world, and global express. So you can go ahead and choose which you prefer, and of course they will have different prices. So the more expensive one is usually the fastest one, and the more guaranteed one. So just go ahead and choose whatever, and then you're gonna have to put a recipient email address. So to whoever you're sending it to, you could go ahead and type in their email address over there. Then over here is the destination. So basically where it's going to go. So put in your recipient name or company name if it exists, address lines, the town and city, the county, postcodes, and just go ahead and scroll down to the customs if you'd like, and then what item you are putting in. Tariff codes as well, you can go ahead and look it up if you're having a hard time with that. Country of origin, so where it's from, how many, the item weight as well, for grams or kilograms, choose your option, and then the estimated item value. So let's say you're gonna give them a cookie for $5, a $5 cookie, you put it over here in the item value section. If you want to add another item, just go ahead and continue. Then just go ahead and proceed with the actual process, and whatever your option is, you can go ahead and take a look at the available locations you can give your item to. So that is the process on how you can send a parcel with Royal Mail, or you could just go ahead and let someone else in a Royal Mail station do this. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.